Welcome guys. So today we're in Manchester, Mandeville. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Read your tour guide. So today is the 29th of December. So this is what Mandeville look like, my beautiful people who watching from all over the world. Yeah man, so we have an understanding how Mandeville set up. No set ahead towards the new year. Just want to say Happy New Year to you all who stop on the channel, who never get the chance to stop on the channel. I'm wishing you a Happy New Year. Yeah man. Have a wonderful one. So where I'm at right now, I'm at the stoplight. I'm coming from Greenvale roundabout, so I'm at the Mega Mart going to in the town area, guys. So if you make the right turn, we'll take you all to the Mega Mart area. So traffic today, a lot of traffic in Mandeville. We all know it's the busy season now. So people from all about coming out, come do them shopping. You know, on your left, you have a NCB bank on your left, but you know that gate always closed. So you're gonna take the main entrance and I think it's Perth Road. Yeah man, so no stick and stay. Sit down and relax, we're in the traffic. If you know you're gonna tour Jamaica and you wanna visit the Manchester Mandeville area, this is where this video you need to watch it. Across where you see the sign marked Perth Road, you see where that is the Manchester High School. The school founded in 1855. Let your light so shine. Big up all the garbage collector them and big up on yourself. Want to keep Jamaica clean, you know? That's it. So we all know this road take you all to the Mandeville Public Hospital from that direction. From this direction. Yeah. So that's the Fesco gas station. Who remember when Fesco gas station was on fire? Yeah man. Big up all the firefighters. They did a good job over there. Yeah man, I think few people get a lot of burn. I don't know if it's third degree burn.
Of processing fees and no payment until 2026. These past few weeks have felt different for many of us, but through it all, one thing remains. Together, we rebuild. At Evolve Loan Co., we're helping Jamaicans get back on their feet with fast approvals, 50% off processing fees, and no payment until 2026. Evolve Loan Co. Borrow, build, evolve. Apply online at evolveloanco.com or visit any of our branches.
Big up yourself, hustler. Boss, I sell him lemon them. Lemon is good. Lemon is good for the kidney. You need some lemon water in the morning. First thing in the morning, you drink some lemon water. Yes, right over this plaza, right over here is Sovereign. You have the Progressive Food Store. You have the Wendy's. You have Domino Pizza. Yep. So I'm just giving you a browse through in this area, guys. So right over there you have the Progressive Food Store, and across from it you have a Sovereign Food Center. Is it Mandeville beautiful, guys? Leave in the comment section and tell me what you think about Mandeville, Manchester. Man, a stoplight they move fast, you know. The change pan green, so boom, gone back pan red. See, that's what I'm talking about. This is it, guys. This is it. So on your right, you have the Mandeville Regional Hospital.